Welcome to IdiomWizard.com. Let's explore some more American language curiosities. Hi, Wizard here, and today the word is catch. Catch me if you can. American English uses the word catch or caught in, well, catchy ways. I might catch 20 winks if I need a nap. A pretty gal might catch my eye, but if she notices me ogling her, I might be caught off guard. Are you catching up on how we use the word? If you don't catch my drift, you will have to play catch up or be left behind. I don't want to be a dog catcher here, but my mom always told me I can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. But then again, I never listened to her as a teenager because I was always trying to catch some Z's. She also told me to catch as one can when it came to finding a job. I never did catch on to her meaning, but when my mom caught my hand in the cookie jar, well, I was caught red-handed and I caught hell for it. I met a childhood friend not long ago and we had to catch up on one another's life. He has lived in Europe and said something about when America sneezes, the whole world catches a cold. Since I worked in finance, his statement was kind of a catch-22 and I couldn't argue. So I changed the conversation to a new song I heard, kind of a catchy tune that stays in your head. I hope you enjoyed our look at American idioms. Catch you later.